Okay, hello. I am going to be buying some people's looks, because why the hell not, as my lag is intense. No, I'm just trying MSP today. Smart idea. Oh wow, 95% of this outfit doesn't even exist anymore. Awesome. Definitely saying getting rid of the hair, and I'm just gonna wing it from here. Because everything else is pretty good in there. I'm sorry for the lag, like, extremely sorry. I'm trying to find shit that would kind of at least match a bit. If not, I can find one of my hairs. But I don't have many, because I only got a month of VIP. Sorry, I have music playing and I'm humming to it. I should not be humming. I'm very, very sorry. I'm already so bad at this. Ugh. God damn. Leave outfits on this is so hard when you're lagging like crazy. Of course I have a Discord message. Apparently these things do exist. They are in here. But they just are not showing up on my avatar. And I don't know why. I already have this on, so I don't need that. Yes, this outfit. God damn it. It's half emo, half like fucking popular girl shit. Like, what am I supposed to do to this to make it more match what it's supposed to be? Those are way too lewd of shorts. Okay, tone it down a bit there. Like, good damn. Too lewd for my channel. Okay, sorry about that cut there. I had to check a Discord message. And, like, a lot of my friends are going through emotional shit, so I'm trying not to expose them while on stream, / whatever this is. Sorry for my raspy ass voice, by the way. I'm really good at keeping care of myself. Kinda. Not really. Alright? Yeah. Just bear with me. I'll just redo that. I need better MSP needs to get better shit. Like, what? What is half of this shit, though? Like, some of it's absolutely adorable, some of it's just utter trash. Like, how these shit, ugh, do I not know English? How this shit is, like, wannabe. Oh shit, I'm tired. Oh, my VR controllers are fully charged. I should maybe take them off the charger. I don't know. Okay, there we go. There's a shirt that matches. Woo. Now I can probably go with this hair. Let's do it. Okay, we need to get rid of that hat. Like, that hat is ruining this look. And so is that white choker. Oh, can you load? Thank you. Yeah, that matches occasionally well. Okay. Okay, there we go. Start setup. Let's post to the photos. Wannabe. Oh, Jesus Christ. That's... Okay, hello. I returned again. Discord. Yeah, there's probably gonna be a lot of those cuts throughout this video. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. I'm in a depressing life. Shit. Really, as soon as I pause, this shit. This client stopped being up. I don't have diamond list. I don't even have money in PayPal. I have like $3 left. Why is it called a diamond ride if you're giving away star coins? Who the fuck? Okay, sorry, somebody was calling me on Discord. And, yeah, that's that right there. Earlier, I had like 25k star coins to that. Oh, sweet. 5 in shopping. Awesome. Star coins. Come on, Discord, please not be fucking spam, bitch. I should just go and like, I don't know what. Sorry, music is getting to me. I almost just dropped my laptop on my floor. Awesome job. Awesome job, Daniel. Huh. The blue-haired freak. I'm hungry. God damn. There you go. Yeah, sexy. Alright, well, this is gonna be the end of this video. Catch up with you another time. Goodbye.